Welcome aboard, passengers. Mega Sim here. We are doing another train spotting video because I've got about 20 minutes here at Derby before I start making my way up north. So I wanted to start doing this train spotting video if I can every Friday. Hopefully it's working, because I've had a few so far. I've had Rugeley, I've had Belper, and now we've got Derby. Because you usually watch my videos where I'm travelling up and down the country, but this is one that I usually do, so I don't want to do a video of the travel up north, or not all of it. So I thought I would do train spotting videos at these specific stations that I'm going to. But anyway, guys, all we have to say here is cue the intro. Wait a minute, what? Not yet. But before we do the cue the intro, this is the Matlock train, and it's sitting on platform 5, which means that the intercity trains are having to come in platform 4. Anyway, right, let's do it this time. Cue the intro. Sorry, I'm going to talk through this because there is a Voyager sitting at 3B. Now, there's a train that's supposed to be going to Newark Castle at 11:23. This could be it, or it might come in from the right. So we'll keep an eye on that. But yeah, there is a Voyager just sitting here, not even powered up, with its red lights on the end, and probably the other end, the other side of it as well. I'm not going to, because it's horrible weather today. But yeah, very interesting. A Voyager just sitting on platform 3 with no details about it. Maybe I'll have to check on real-time trains, see what's going on. Just to quickly mention, the Newark Castle is an EMR service, so that'll be coming into 3A. Instead of the other ones. So yeah, that'll be a 170 coming into Newark Castle. So yeah, no idea what this Voyager's doing here. There's nobody around to ask. Well, we'll just watch it until my train comes, which is in 15 minutes. But there's nothing else going on this station. I thought I'd have some sort of traffic to give you a train spotting video, but the next train is the Newark Castle, and then it's my train. So this isn't what I was expecting. Oh well, I'll still ramble on. I'll be more of a talking one, I think. That'll be it. More of a talking video. So yeah, this 170 here sits here before going to Matlock. The engine was on, but it's only turned off before I started recording a little bit. So yeah, let's have a look and see what livery it is inside. I do have my suitcase, so just bear with me on that. So we got the green poles there, the lime green, and this is the moquette, the livery that's inside, which looks like London North Western Railway, doesn't it? Let me know in the comments. Do you agree? Is it London North Western? Well, it is to Matlock, so actually what we should do is we should go this way. Go to the front, see if the driver's sitting in there. But yeah, this is 11:34, which is after my train leaves. So mine's the 11:30, and then this is the 11:34. Annoyingly, my 12:11 from Sheffield is cancelled, so I'm having to wait an hour for my next train. But thankfully, because it's going to be an hour, I am going to hopefully get delay repay. So I'm very happy about that. Oh, hello. Hey, you can see me. So you can see that the seat is pushed down, so he's not sitting there at the moment. But yeah, we're just waiting for this EMR 1123 to Newark Castle to come in. So that would have been coming from Crewe, I'm guessing. Let me just check. I don't want to tell you something wrong, so let me just check. Yeah, it's coming from Crewe. So Crewe into Derby and then reverse back out the other way to head towards Nottingham and Newark Castle. Because of the lack of trains, I'm going to show you the 170 coming in from Crewe. It's just coming in any minute now, so we'll zoom in and we'll watch that come into the station. Sorry guys, I was expecting more. But the video of Trainspotting is a video, and this is Derby between 11 and 11:30.
Railway service to Newark Castle, calling it Long Eaton, Beeston, Nottingham, Carlton, Burton Joyce, Loudon, Thurberton, Bleasby, Fiskerton, Rolleston and Newark Castle. This train is formed of 2 coaches. Please note, the lifts at Nottingham are currently out of service. Please speak to a member of staff if you need further assistance.
Engineering work is taking place at Birmingham New Street Station from Sunday 2nd of April to Sunday 30th of April. This will affect cross-country services operating between Nottingham and Birmingham New Street via Derby and Burton-on-Trent. Starting on the 3rd of April, the Nottingham Railway for cross-country service
Here it is. It's Miles. Hey Miles. And I've just realised East Midlands Trains is on there, on the staff door. East Midlands Trains, not East Midlands Railway, not Midland Main Line, East Midlands Trains, EMT. Excellent, superb. He's got his green light ready to go out, so he's just going to be walking to the other end of the train, and then he'll be getting out of here. There we go. He's got his lights on and he's ready and raring to go. 11:23 is when he'll be leaving. So yeah, in half a minute. He's just turned on. I just noticed, I just heard a start up. Yeah, no idea what's going on with this Voyager. I can't see it on real-time trains. Unless he's going to, unless it's like an emergency one for the train coming in to Plymouth on platform 2. Maybe there's a problem with it. Yeah, very interesting. Not sure what's going on. Here's the ramp I want. HST. Well, thank you for watching this video. If you did like it, give it a thumbs up, lets me know that you care. Here's my train coming in, taking me to Sheffield. Subscribe for more. Social media links are in the description as well, and we will see you on the next video. This is Mega Sim out of here. See you soon, guys. Oh, it's 222022. See you later, guys. Bye.